Hello YouTube, Brian Tubbs coming back at you with another video. This video is part 2 of flags. We shot the first portion when I was making the base, putting the pole on the bottom base. And I promised you guys I would kind of show you guys kind of what the final product looked like. I was hoping to be able to get some other welding shots of my wife and I doing all the TIG welding, but like I was saying before, so many shots with our back to the camera and in all these other positions, just trying to get in there first to line the thing up and then mark it and then do all the things we need to do. And then I would grind, take the cutoff wheel, grind the line in there, and then take the grinding rock and open it up so we can slide the pieces together. And all that was just a lot of noise, and just our back again would be to the camera too much. So we went ahead and just put everything together, put all the pieces together. And then I went ahead and welded the upper piece to the top of the base. And how I attach it, I will take the plasma cutter and cut a line through here, open it up about 1/4 of an inch. Then I will take this piece, set it down in that opening, get it lined up, and then weld it front and back, because I do not want to just say cut one of these off and just have it sitting on top of here and weld it. I don't think it's strong enough, but I'd rather have a portion of this in that base so I can weld it too, because it's not just relying on the weld to keep it sturdy and from breaking off or being able to move too much, to having a portion of it in there and then welded it to there, so that's like double strength. It stands 6 feet 7 inches tall. I think in the last video I was saying between 6'3" and 6'4", but the way we put everything a little bit higher, it's about 6 feet 7 inches. So it's pretty much done. So now we just have to take the machine, our Passivate machine, and go through on all these portions here and get all the dark marks off where it was TIG welded. And then we'll take the liquid passivation chemical and go over everything. Let it sit for 10 minutes, 15 minutes or so. And then you just take your garden hose and just wash everything off. Let it sit, let it dry. Or we can take a rag or a leaf blower or something, blow it off, and then we'll put the other chemical on after that, just to give it more protection. So that's flags, and that's kind of how we do it. Build the base, put the pole together, put a cap on the pole, have to TIG weld all that in, grind everything down. These came from just a sheet of stainless steel. Cut them all out, and then just start piecing them together. And so I think that's going to do it for this video. And so I will catch you on the next video. I think I'll be making another piece. It's a large triangle with the ball on top rolling down, and the big triangle sets on a small triangle which sits on a floating base. I may have shot, I think I did shoot a video of it when it was finished a few videos ago. I think I was in the process of probably doing either S-curve or the dance, one of those videos. I was showing you this large yellow triangle. So someone bought it just a couple of days ago, so I got to remake that one. So I was making this one. So this is pretty much finished. So I'll now turn this over to my wife. She can do all the passivating. Then I'll go on and start making the large triangle again. So I think that's going to do it for this video, guys. It's just short and sweet, and I will see you on the next one. And like, subscribe, do all that stuff the YouTube guys and girls do, and I'd appreciate it. And again, this is Brian Tubbs, and as usual, peace out.